We want to welcome you to the start of the Superbloom in Southern California. This rare event happens when ideal conditions are met, such as above average rainfall, a little bit of wind, and weeks of sunshine. Typically starting in early March, we were lucky to get an early chance to see blossoms of golden California poppies and other native wildflowers. We start this season by visiting Chino Hills State Park, and in this video we're sharing our hike and experience along one of the park's most popular hikes, the Bane Ridge Loop Trail, in search of wildflowers. This 6-mile loop trail takes visitors along rolling hills and beautiful green fields, and as a SoCal native, I've never seen these hills this green, making this feel like a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We start at the parking area where the Aliso Canyon Trail commences en route to the Sidewinder Trail. With a total elevation gain of 750 feet, most of the uphill climb is during the first half of the trail. Don't expect to see many poppies nearby until you reach the halfway point of the Sidewinder Trail. What dominated our sights throughout this portion was the intense greens in every direction. Tall stalks of dried mustard plants share the terrain, creating a contrast in the color palette. The first sightings of poppies is a welcoming sight, and seeing them up close for the first time was definitely something to behold. So we just finished completing the Sidewinder Trail. We are at the halfway point. To my right is the Sidewinder Trail that goes down to the parking lot on Aliso Trail right there. And where we're going to be walking next is the upper Bane Ridge Trail, which is another 3 miles that gets us close to another parking lot. This is where the concentration of poppies are currently. We haven't seen very many than what's behind us, but we hope to see very more coming up close. The Bane Ridge Trail follows a path on the tip of a ridge, offering perfect 360 views of the park. The rest of the hike is gradually downhill, with a few short uphill climbs. If you decide to do just one trail to hike on, this one would be the optimal choice. The concentrations of poppies are definitely more abundant on this trail compared to the Sidewinder and Aliso Canyon trails. You'll also see many more visitors on this trail because of its ease, popularity, and of course, more poppies. So we just finished our hike on the Aliso Canyon Trail, the Sidewinder Trail, and the upper Bane Ridge Trail in search for poppies at Chino Hills State Park. For your guys' advice, if you guys come here, the best trail to find the poppies right now are on the upper Bane Trail and the Bane Trail, which is just right here. It's you can actually access it from the very front where you come in, or if you head all the way down to where the next parking lot is, about 2 miles down, that's where the large parking lot is, to go up there on the trail, and usually right in that area is where you see the most concentration of poppies. They were awesome. It was great to see. I've never seen poppies up close before. I've never been here as well, but to see them here, to see the hills green, the purples, the oranges, the poppies themselves was really fantastic. I highly recommend you guys coming. I'll leave a blog down below for you guys to see. I'll give you some information on how to get here, how much to pay, where to park, and where to see the poppies at. We appreciate you watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.